Hi, today I will be showing you how to hide Instagram following and followers list. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So let's start. First is you have to launch your Instagram application, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. So in order for you to hide your followers and following list, you have to tap this three lines above. And then here what you're going to do is you have to tap on this account center right here, or you can just basically scroll down and then tap on account privacy. Make sure that you have toggled on private account. So if someone visits your profile, especially if he or she is not your friend or not on the friends list or followers list, that person cannot see your followers and following list. Now, as you can see here, it needs to be in a personal account. You can do that if you're on a business account. So you have to switch to personal account first. Once your account here on Instagram is personal, you can switch to private account. Okay, so if you go back and tap on account privacy, you can toggle on private account. Now, what if your friend, or if you want to simply hide your following and followers list from any of your followers here on your Instagram? Is it possible? No, it's not. But you can limit the access of that specific person to your Instagram account. And all you have to do is to restrict him or her here on your Instagram. So, how are you going to do that? You just have to basically go to settings again, scroll down, and look for restricted option. So you have to tap on restricted account right here, tap next, and then kindly search a specific person that you want to restrict here. Once you found it, all you have to do is to tap restrict. As you can see, account restricted. So these people or these friends or followers will have limit access to your Instagram application, but it doesn't mean that you hide your followers or follow list to these people. If you want to do that, you have to unfriend or remove these people from your followers list. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.